Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Hope you have read this chapter and you are not facing any problem. Now we will continue with the reading of the remaining chapter. Till now you saw that Paige dropped Shadow to a cat shelter because she was allergic to Shadow, and Shadow made a new friend named Carly who introduced her to all other cats in the cat shelter whose names were Isabel, Theo, Scam, etc. Now we will continue with the reading. The next morning, a boy came and his mom came in. The boy patted me, then walked away. I knew he must be filling out the adoption papers. I just imagined Hans would pick me up and put me in a carrier. The boy picked up Isabel. Of course, he would want her. She was beautiful. My colors are in all patterns. Congratulations, Isabel. I will miss you, but I am happy for you, I said. In this stanza, we see that a boy's mom came to a cat shelter for adopting a cat. Shadow thought that it was the time for his adoption, but they selected Isabel. Shadow congratulated Isabel and said that he would miss him and he was happy for her. Now, next stanza. Maybe we need to groom some more, I suggested to Carly. The next morning, I groomed until my tongue was as dry as fresh litter. The girl and her dad came in. The girl threw a fur mouse and I pounced on it to prove I was a good mouse catcher. They walked away. I just knew Hans would pick me up and put me in a carrier, but the girl picked up Theo. Of course, she would want him. He was talkative. Congratulations, Theo. I'll miss you, but I'm happy for you, I said. अब पेश किया कहता है कि हमें अपने आप को और ज़्यादा ग्रूम करने की ज़रूरत है. किससे कहता है? कार्ली से. अगले दिन क्या होता है? फिर एक गर्ल आती है और एक माउस को फेंकती है. अब शैडो क्या करता है? जल्दी से उस माउस को पकड़ लेता है जिससे वो ये दिखा सके कि वो बहुत अच्छा एक माउस कैचर है. अब उसे लगता है कि वो लड़की उसे लेकर के अपने घर ले जाएगी, लेकिन क्या हुआ? अभी वो उसको लेके नहीं जाती है और किसको सेलेक्ट करती है? थियो को सेलेक्ट करती है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा टॉकेटिव है. अब शैडो फिर से थियो को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता है और कहता है कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए खुश हूँ, लेकिन हम तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा मिस करेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा. I made more friends but lost them when they found homes. Carly was always there to play with me though. Every time I think of how much I wanted a home and a special human friend, that old allergy comes back to my eye. Then I remembered what Paige told me, that someone would adopt me, and Paige never ever lied to me. We tried to get adopted. We saw lots of people, but no one chose us. One early spring morning, Carly woke me up with happy anniversary. You have been my friend for a year. Now Shadow made more other friends but lost them as they found their homes. Every time she thought that she would be adopted, but she could not be adopted. The people adopted some other cats and took them to their home. But Shadow was confident of being adopted because told Shadow that she would be adopted, and Paige never lied to Shadow. But until now, no one chose to adopt her. One early spring morning, Carly woke her up and wished her happy anniversary because they had been friends for a year. Now, next page. She meant to be nice, but I was not happy. How had I not found a home in a whole year? I decided to sleep all day. Around lunchtime, a human sat down and put me on her lap. I refused to snuggle. I heard a carrier door jangle, but I wouldn't look to see which friend was leaving. By Shadow, I finally have a home, but I really miss you. You are my best friend. I couldn't congratulate her. I couldn't say goodbye. Instead, I did something I had never done before. I extended my claws and scratched. I scratched the couch, the wallpaper. I scratched everything I could except a cat or a human. Even when I'm upset, I never hurt anyone. जब कार्ली उसे विश करती है वो खुश होती है, लेकिन क्या है, शैडो जो है इस बात से खुश नहीं है। क्यों खुश नहीं है? क्योंकि उसे साल भर हो गया यहाँ रहते हुए और वो चाहता था वो जल्दी से उसे अपना घर मिले और वो वहाँ पर जाकर पे रहे, लेकिन उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ। तो उसने क्या सोचा कि आज मैं दिन भर सोऊंगा। फिर क्या हुआ, लंच टाइम में फिर कुछ ह्यूमन आए, किसी और कैट को सेलेक्ट करके ले जाने लगे। अब उस कैट ने शैडो को बाय किया और उससे कहा कि मुझे एक घर मिल गया है, लेकिन मैं तुम्हें बहुत मिस करूँगा और तुम मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो। अब क्या था, शैडो उसे कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट भी नहीं कर पा रहा था और गुड बाय भी नहीं कर रहा था। क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी था। उसने क्या किया, अपने क्लॉज को यानी अपने पंजों को स्क्रैच किया और स्क्रैच करने लगा। तब तक स्क्रैच किया, स्क्रैच करना मीन्स पंजे मारना, जिससे किसी को भी नुकसान ना हो, चाहे वो कोई इंसान हो या वो cat ho. Now next stanza. Someone called my name. I just knew I was in trouble. A pair of hands picked me up and put me in a carrier. At last I was being adopted. He is the cutest, sweetest cat here, said the girl whose lap I had been on. Our other new cat is cute and sweet too, said the boy. I had said it's a tie. They took me to the car and Carly was already there. We were being adopted together. She winked at me. I winked back. And amazingly, we never got allergies again. अब क्या हुआ, शैडो को अपना नाम सुनाई दिया। उसे किसी ने उठाया और कैरियर में रखा। उसे क्या लगा, आखिर में मैं भी जो हूँ, मुझे भी किसी ने पसंद कर लिया और मैं भी एडॉप्ट हो रहा हूँ। तो क्या हुआ, वो गर्ल उसे कहती है कि सबसे प्यारी और स्वीट कैट है जितनी यहाँ पे हैं। और दूसरा वाला क्या कहता है, उसका जो भाई है वो कहता है कि ये जो दूसरी कैट है वो भी बहुत क्यूट और स्वीट है। फिर क्या हुआ, वो लोग उसे कार के पास ले गए जहाँ पहले से ही बैठी हुई थी। तो क्या हुआ, दोनों ने एक दूसरे को विंक किया। विंक किया मीन्स आँख मारी, और दोनों हमेशा के लिए खुश रहने लगे। और उन्हें पता था उन्हें कभी किसी से कोई एलर्जी नहीं होगी। इस तरीके से वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स एक साथ एक घर में रहने चले गए। स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस स्टोरी एंड एन्जॉयड इट. Now you have to read the remaining chapter, and if you have any problem or you are unable to understand anything, you can